Plenty of used cars out there for sale. Plenty of question marks, too. I mean, how do you know what you're getting? Hey, no question mark on this one, huh? And look, no question marks on these either. Ah, there you go. They're GM certified used. Cars, trucks, SUVs. The largest selection out there. Totally checked out with a 117-point inspection. Everything works great. You never have to worry about a thing. And look at this. They come factory backed with a 100,000-mile 5-year powertrain limited warranty. And a 12-month 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. You also get roadside assistance, courtesy transportation, even a Carfax vehicle history report. So check them out. There are dealers all over the country. GM certified used vehicles, no worries.